I'm going to show you a simple AI income system you can build in under 15 minutes. No experience. No coding. Step 1. Pick a niche. This could be money, motivation, facts, or even AI itself. Step 2. Generate content using AI. You can create scripts in seconds. Things like, top 3 ways to make money, or, facts you didn't know. Step 3. Turn that into video. Add an AI voice, simple visuals, and captions. You don't need to be an editor. Step 4. Post consistently. Short-form content works best for this. Platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Now here's where it gets interesting. You're not just posting videos, you're building a content system. And once something hits, you repeat it. That's how this becomes passive. If you want, I can break this into a full step-by-step guide. Just follow for more.